Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to group objects in Canva. Let's begin. Grouping objects in Canva is a straightforward process that helps you move, resize, or apply effects to multiple elements at once, making it easier to work on complex design. Once you are logged into your account, just hover to the Elements section where you want to put in some objects. For example, in my case, I'm going to be choosing something like a shape. For example, that's going to be like a square. I'm going to click on the shapes right here. I'm going to select a triangle. Then of course a circle to make it complete. Another object like a star. And maybe like an arrow going up. Then I'm going to click on the upload button. Going to say, for example, create something like this. And for me to be able to group all of these together, all I have to do, I want you to press the shift key in your keyboard and then click on each object individually. Now square, and then click the triangle, click the square, click the star, click the arrow, and of course click the image right here. Then there's going to be something that will pop up, and that's going to be the group option. All right, click that, and basically you would be able to move all of them together at once. All right, so this is basically how you group all objects together. All you have to do now, if you want to duplicate this, is right click and copy, and then paste here. And of course you can create multiple copies of these objects here in Canva. I'm going to group them together again. Group. I'm going to copy and paste. So I have all of these. And again, I also have the option to group them, all the objects together here in Canva. All right. Because grouping objects is a great way to keep your design organized and streamline your workflow in Canva. I'm going to put in a background to make it a little bit creative. And of course, you can apply uniform effects like colors or shadows to multiple elements simultaneously. Grouping helps keep objects aligned with when moving or resizing them together. I believe that it reduces the need to modify each element individually, making the design process more efficient. Once you are happy with how it looks, if you click the full screen, all I have to do now is go to the share button. You can download this as PNG, JPEG, PDF standard, or PDF print. You also have the option to share this to your team members, your collaborator, your client, or if you're working with multiple freelancers. Just click the anyone with the link so they can access the design using this link. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.